Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how a beginner can edit video and how to add sound to that video using ClipChamp. Thank you. First of all, we need to insert the video we want to edit, so let's insert that video first. For that, you can see Import Media. You can now share your video clips. Drag and drop to your editing location. Now I need to remove the unwanted sound from these two inserted video parts. Now let's remove the unnecessary audio parts from the video and delete it. If you want to remove parts of the video, select the desired part of the video and remove it in this way. Now that we have finished most of the video work, we just need to add an intro and background music to our video. First, let's insert the intro video into the video. Now let's add sound to the intro video section. Now we need to add background music to the video. If we want to fix the end of the video that you can see now, if we want to remove a piece of music or video, we can remove it in this way. We usually don't play the background music very loud in the video, so we need to turn down the volume of the relevant background music tracks. As you can see in the video, you can increase or decrease the volume like this. If you use fonts in your videos, you can use them as seen in this video. Now we have finished making our video, and now we have to download the video we made. If you think this video is good, then like, share, and subscribe it.